Hello students, today we are going to be discuss the second part of this particular unit, energy management and audit. What is energy? Energy is the capacity of a physical system perform work. Energy exists in several forms such as heat, kinetic or mechanical energy, light, potential energy, electrical or other forms. According to the law of conservation of energy, the total energy of a system remain constant, though energy may transform into another form. For example, two billiard balls holding may come to rest, with the resulting energy converting to sound and perhaps a little bit of heat at the point of collision. Types of energy, as we know very well: mechanical energy. Mechanical energy is energy that results from movement of the location of object. Mechanical energy is sum of kinetic and potential energy. Thermal energy is another things. Thermal energy or heat energy reflects the temperature difference between two systems. Nuclear energy. Nuclear energy is energy resulting from change in the atomic nuclei or from nuclear. Chemical energy. Chemical energy results from chemical reactions between atoms or molecules. There are different types of chemical energy such as electrochemical energy, etc. Electromagnetic energy. Electromagnetic energy is energy from light or electromagnetic waves. Definition of energy management. Energy management is defined as the strategy of adjusting and optimizing energy using systems and procedure so as to reduce energy requirements per unit of output while holding constant or reducing total cost of producing the output from these systems. This is the diagram which is showing you the energy management system. If you go for the managerial plan, one is the technical things. The technical things, the plan is the energy data management, assessment. Here is the plan from managerial side: policy, goals, target, resources. The objective of energy management: to achieve the conditions which you can apply is just like to achieve and maintain optimum energy procurement and utilization throughout the organization. Number two, to minimize energy cost or wastage without affecting production and quality. Number three, to minimize environmental effects. Energy management objectives clarification. The basic objective of any energy management system is to answer five simple questions: how much energy is consumed, how is the energy consumed, where is the energy consumed, when is the energy consumed, and what is the quality of energy consumed. In order to address these queries, energy audits are conducted. Let's understand the audits.